So, your Aprilaire humidifier stopped working. A stuck water solenoid is likely the cause of water running continuously or no water is passing through the humidifier. But don't rush to order that new part. Here is how you can try to fix it. First, shut off the HVAC power. Shut off the water valve to the humidifier and disconnect the wires to the water solenoid and the water hose and remove the solenoid. Next, unscrew the nut at the top of the solenoid and take it apart. Visually inspect the water input port and the water output port for any kind of debris stuck in there caused by hardened water. You can get a pointy brush to scrub them out. But more importantly, you want to soak the bottom part of this solenoid in vinegar solution overnight. And depending on how crusty your solenoid is, you may need to extend the soaking period. For this solenoid, I only soaked it overnight. After soaking, you should rinse the solenoid with water and then reassemble it. Again, check to see if there's additional debris inside the inlet and the outlet port of the solenoid valve. If there is, use the pointy brush to clear it. Now, reassemble the solenoid and find a brand new 9-volt battery because we're going to test it to see if the frozen, stuck solenoid is now operable. Take the 9-volt battery and connect the two wires from the solenoid to the battery. You should hear a clicking sound. That is the sound of a working unstuck solenoid. Next, you want to get some penetrating lubricant oil. Put it into the inlet port and trigger the solenoid again. This way, the solenoid will be lubricated. And now, you're done. Thanks for watching.